How to build a 5,000 per month AI automation agency, no coding. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to build a 5,000 per month AI automation agency without writing a single line of code. I will also show you on-screen examples of the tools you can use and workflows that you can automate so you can start your own agency today. First, let's talk about what an AI automation agency actually does. Essentially, you provide AI-powered solutions that save businesses time, streamline repetitive tasks, and increase the revenue. This could be automating email campaigns, generating the content and posting it on social media, also building customer support chatbots, or creating internal reporting dashboards. As a no-code founder, you don't need to write custom software. Instead, you leverage AI and automation platforms to deliver professional results for your clients. And the best part is, with Make, all of this can be done without coding, making it accessible even if you've never programmed before. Let's do a quick overview of Make.com so you know what you're actually working with. On the main dashboard, you're going to see all the insights, you're going to see all the suggested apps that you can connect and the trending agents. With the help of AI and Make.com, you can simply build an entire agency. Make is also really accessible in terms of teams, so if you have a small team or if you're just a startup agency, you can still invite your entire team or your clients onto this workspace. Now first, we're going back to the dashboard, click on create a scenario, and this is where you build an entire workflow. Now it gives you the option to create something from scratch or start with a template. If you want to go ahead and start with a template, you can go ahead and do that. But as a beginner, it's best you actually understand what you're working with. We're going to click on build with scratch. Now simply click over to the plus sign and we're going to create a simple example for a client who wants automatic social media posting. Now we're simply going to drag in a Google Sheets right here. Now we can customize what we actually want. And further, just simply click on the triggers that you want, and you need to add in a connection and connect your Google account here, so everything is easily accessible and automatically dragged into here. Now once everything is connected, simply choose a file and click on save. Now we're simply going to click on adding another module, and you can also drag the OpenAI module to generate variations of captions using AI. Now finally, we're simply going to drag in Facebook. You can search in the application right here and click on Facebook. Now you're going to keep connecting the applications and tools that you're going to use. Now you can drag Facebook or Instagram module to automatically post the content at scheduled times. Click run at once right here, and you simply click on run once and you'll see the AI generated post go live automatically. Now let's set up a lead automation for clients. Now you can also browse different kinds of templates and then completely customize them and connect them to your application tools. Now if you go over and browse the templates, you can see that there are different kinds of templates allowing us to sync our lead ads with Google Sheets. We're simply going to click on this for a helping guide, and it just provides us with a proper structure so you can start connecting your accounts and get a head start. Now another example could be a customer support automation, meaning that you can connect a client's email or chat system to OpenAI module, which drafts automatic responses to common customer questions. And that way you can add in a Slack notification module for urgent tickets so the client is alerted in real time. Now to reach 5,000 per month, you only need 3 to 5 clients with workflows like these, which can include posting social media content and adding in lead automation for clients or customer support automation. Now each client receives customer automation and AI-driven solutions, all managed by Make. Now this not only demonstrates value to the client but also helps you manage multiple clients from one interface. And finally, your sales strategy can also leverage Make, meaning that new leads collected through a website for LinkedIn automatically emailed a free workflow audit. These reports can be generated via AI in Make. This helps attract clients and quickly convert them into paying customers. Over time, you can add more modules like automatic reporting, content scheduling, or analytics dashboard. Scaling both revenue and workflow complexity, all still without coding. In summary, using Just Make, you can build an AI automation agency that delivers massive value to your clients, charging recurring fees, and easily scaling to 5,000 per month or more. From social media automation to lead automation and customer support, Make can handle everything, making it the perfect all-in-one no-code AI automation tool for your agency. And that's it. You now have a complete roadmap to start a 5,000 per month AI automation agency using just one tool, that is Make. If you want more tutorials showing exact client workflows and AI prompts, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Also, comment below which type of client workflow would you like me to automate next. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to comment them below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.